Hi, everybody. This is the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. In this update to the zero DTE strategy, we're going to go over the trades for the week ending in October 7th. 5 winners in 5 days, so very good overall week. Made about 8% return for the week. So let's go over the strikes, how we decided it, and how you might be able to join in as well. Let's get right to it. All right, so these are the strikes that I use for the zero DTE strategy. The green ones are put credit spreads. That's where we would all want to go below those green bars. And then the call side or the red bars, those are call credit spreads. All 5 were winning trades. As you notice when we're entering these trades, we usually enter around the second to third candle. We're going really far away from the initial price of the stock. So I was just moving my arrow here. You can see these really big jumps from here all the way down and possibly all the way up in an iron condor. And then this one we went up as well. As you can see in the 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 5 days, we only went one leg. We only went on the call or put credit spread. The only day of the week that we did the iron condor was on Thursday, where you can see a big up gap and then pretty big down gap. So we entered near the middle of that second candle, still at really far away and safe strikes. So it's a good consistent way to earn, given 2 to 3% per day in most trades here. So on Monday, market was around 36.15, obviously heading upward. We went all the way down to the 35.60 and then sold the 35.60 put, bought the 35.50 put. On Tuesday, another big up day. We're just going with the trend of the market. So if this keeps going up, we want to go in the opposite direction because it's a very low chance it's going to bounce completely opposite direction on us. So we went all the way to 37.10 to 36.95 on the put side. Wednesday was a slightly down day. The premiums down here weren't really paying enough to make it worthwhile and had a little bit extra risk there. So we decided to go with just a call credit spread at 38.10 to 38.20. Thursday was that iron condor. We went in both directions. And Friday was a pretty steep downturn. So we went just call credit spread. All these were for winners, and we had no positions open past lunchtime. Actually, today we closed out in about 45 minutes. So some of these trades could go relatively quickly. Let's look at the actual strike prices here. So from 10:03, we were at 886.76, and then the end of the week we're at 977.24. And this is using $1,000 for one contract. We do have some members making multiple contracts, 5, 10 contracts, easily scalable to get to the proper size based on your account. But we're just testing out on one strategy. You go from 977.24 minus the 886.76. Again, 90.48, which is a 9% return for the week of $1,000. And that does include commissions. So I want to be as transparent as I can here, looking at all the commissions involved. So you can see in each day, we go for pretty consistent small gains, 2.5, 1, 1.5, 2.2, 1.5%. And that's a usually target profit, anywhere between 1.5 to 2.5%. In most cases, we're just going to close it out, take the winner, and then enjoy the rest of your day here. If you look throughout the whole year, we're at 137 wins out of 154 trades, which is an 89% win rate. So we're winning these trades about 9 out of every 10 times. You only stop out about once every 2 weeks or so. And then if you do stop out that 1 week, you might have a slight modest gain for the week, 1 to 2%. But if you don't stop out at all, like this week, we made over 9% in just the week. And you can just see the consistency. We had a stop out here, 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 here. And there's quite a bit of winners in between these losers. Which means that we're going to be getting quite a bit of gains. You get an occasional loss in there. Not going to be 100% on everything. Perfect's the enemy of the good here. But by getting these consistent 1 to 2% winners, like psychologically, it does help. And it's good gains as well, right? We started at $500 all the way near doubled our money at this point to 977 in a pretty turbulent market. So these are definitely some strategies that you could consider for the day-to-day, gaining that 1 to 2.5% gains. So again, if you're interested in seeing these daily trade alerts, we update them on Discord around 9 o'clock, 9:05 Central Standard Time each trading day. You'll see the exact strike prices to enter at, exact premiums to receive. Look at the VIX, look at the deltas, and the approximate chance of it working out with our target percent. And then we do updates throughout the day if we closed it early, if we're waiting, and whatnot. There's a free 7-day trial at thetatraders.com. And we have plenty of new members that are just joining in. We have some beginners that haven't done this strategy before, and they're just getting right to it right away, getting these profits, just simply following the alerts that we give. There's also plenty of people asking questions about these strategies. We do longer dated, 30, 45 days out, put credit spreads and Kesker puts. We also do a lot of futures trades as well. So not only is it good for an alert service to get some consistent small gains over time, but you also could have a good education. I am a science teacher, and I'd like to be able to help out others that have questions about option selling strategies. So again, investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. Have a good weekend, everybody, and I'll see you guys on the Discord.